2, 1. Okay, so this is the second test of my IoT Tazer alarm clock. Now basically what this is an alarm clock that tases you in the morning, but instead of having to manually fix the time on the actual device, you can set the time wirelessly by use of a laptop and a little app we built. Now just to explain the system a little bit, let me just bring you over here. What I've done on the Raspberry Pi is that I've done two things. I've reconfigured it so that on startup it spawns a bit of a Wi-Fi hotspot, so you can connect to it either through Ethernet or wirelessly. And I've also had it. I also created a bit of a TCP server, so when you are connected to it, you can send it encoded data. Now on my laptop, I have a Flask server that allows you to go to this web page and set a timer for a certain amount of time. So that, let's say, like a few seconds. Now, once that's done, it should send encoded data to the Raspberry Pi, which prompts it to send serial data here through to the Arduino, which I've rigged up with a little script that triggers a taser for like a few milliseconds. The idea is that if you have this app running, you could essentially trigger your Tazer alarm clock from trigger any of these Tazer alarm clocks from anywhere in your house, kind of like the way a Nest thermostat operates, except a lot more fun. Okay, now you can see the timer going down. I've set it up so that in about 30 seconds, it'll again send data to the Pi that'll trigger the Tazer, and it should ring for about half a second, then it should turn off. Okay. Almost there. 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shit. Okay, take 3, sorry. Not exactly sure what happened there. What I think happened is that I moved it a bit. I slid it over the desk a bit to move it into frame so that the camera could see it. I guess the battery must have come disconnected because all I have attaching the leads is like a piece of electrical tape. So yeah, I've added a new bit and re-uploaded the code. So hopefully that should help a bit. Alright, so the server's running. So yeah, I have the timer going down. I have set it to run for about 30 seconds, so in like 20 now, it should trigger that, and you should see some sparks. Also, just for a bit of evidence, this is completely wireless. Right, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Call that a success. Yeah, so I've got on my third try. I'd say that went pretty well. I mean, this is my first time experimenting with something wireless pretty much from scratch, and this is promising. I'm planning on using this for another really exciting project I have coming up, or that may or may not be related to drone package delivery. So, yeah, it's promising.